Today, let us see advanced security in Quantum Vault app and how we can use that advanced security. What that feature is actually. Okay, let's click on, we are on the dashboard. Let's click on the controls and scroll down. You see advanced security. Let's expand. Click on this down arrow and it shows us some interesting things like Wi-Fi safe zone. What is Wi-Fi safe zone? It means you can register your home Wi-Fi. You might have multiple here. Those are your trusted networks, or you might have your workplace. You can register those as your trusted Wi-Fi networks. So you can register as many networks as you want, and those are your trusted Wi-Fi networks, right? Why do I register those networks? Because once you register trusted Wi-Fi networks, then app will automatically lock down if you go outside that zone. You have choices there. So let's see. I click on this manage trusted networks. I don't have any registered. Let me scan it. I give it permission and it scans one of the Wi-Fi network and I say okay, register this one. It asks me to authorize. I say go ahead and it has registered this one. Let's go back. So we have registered one network, but you can go to any other network, scan again and register the same way. You can register as many as you want. Now you have just registered it, you have not enabled anything else. First thing is the soft lock. You can say enable locking. Let's authorize this. What does this mean by enable locking? Enable locking means if somebody take your phone and run away, your app will lock itself, right? So if the person tries to open the app, the person cannot open until he or she knows your passphrase and and also your fingerprint. He has got everything, or the screen unlock password, right? Otherwise the person cannot unlock. There is one more option called complete lockdown. I can turn this on as well. Let's authorize this as well. Okay, why it is asking for passphrase as well? Because this is highly secure feature. In this case, if you have enabled complete lockdown, if your phone is outside your trusted network, app will not unlock. No matter you have master key, you have got anything, your app will not unlock until you come back into your trusted Wi-Fi zone, right? Cool feature. If you want, if you have really sensitive information and you want to access this app only on certain places, then you should enable it. For example, if you are using Quantum Vault in your workplace and you want this app not to work outside the workspace, you can enable it, right? So let's go back to advanced security again. We are talking too much and then it keeps locking, right? Let's go back here. We were doing something and we did not do it. Let's enter the passphrase. Okay, Once I enter the passphrase, my complete lockdown is enabled. Now in this case, you see enable locking is disabled because that doesn't make any more sense, because complete lockdown is much more powerful feature than that. So it will anyway automatically lock down if you will go outside the zone, so it encompasses that. So let's test it. I have enabled complete lockdown, and let me turn off the Wi-Fi in this phone. So I go up and turn off the Wi-Fi, and let's see what happens. Let's wait for a few seconds. You see, vault is locked. Now I enter, sorry, it locked down, and let me open the app again. Let's see, I enter password, no, screen unlock password. But what it says that it's in lockdown state, you can't actually unlock it. You can click, you can try again, the screen unlock. No, it won't work. So we have to go back to safe Wi-Fi zone. Let's do it. So once we are connected, we click on this, we enter our screen unlock. Yes, it is working now. Cool, it worked. So you see, there is another cool feature related to Wi-Fi, and let me scroll it down. Forced complete lockdown. This is similar to Wi-Fi zone, but this is a manual lock. It's not about safe Wi-Fi zone. Now let's say you are in a really awkward situation. Somebody asks you to unlock the app, and let us say somebody is forcing you to enter your passphrase. You have to enter it, you have to unlock it. But what you can do is, if you have enabled force lockdown, then you can hold on the lockdown button for 3 seconds, and your app will go into complete lockdown state, as we saw in case of Wi-Fi safe Wi-Fi zone. And in this case, app will not work even in safe Wi-Fi zone. Then how will you unlock it? Well, you define a physical key, and that physical key, or say Wi-Fi or NFC, there are two modes we support. You can register any Wi-Fi network as your key. For example, you have your other phone, you can register that. Just enable the Wi-Fi on your hotspot hub on your other phone, scan it, register that one, I mean connect to that Wi-Fi, and then scan and register. So for example, here I added this, and then it says 1 of 3 is registered. You can register up to 3 lift networks. We call it lift because it can lift the lockdown. It's independent of Wi-Fi safe zone. Now you need to enable Wi-Fi lifting. Just click on this and you can enable it. See, now Wi-Fi lifting is enabled. In this case, now let me turn off the complete lockdown of safe Wi-Fi zone, just to show you how this will work. Force lockdown will work. I'm just turning that off. Safe Wi-Fi zone complete lockdown, I have turned that off. What is enabled? Wi-Fi lifting. This is just for lifting. This is now your Wi-Fi network which you registered here has become the key to unlock your app. So now, since, and this forced complete lockdown needs one lifting key, at least one. Either it could be Wi-Fi or NFC. You can, similar way, you can go here and you can put another phone back on the back of your phone, scan it and register that NFC as your key. So your other phone, your wife's phone, your friend's phone become the key to your lock. It's up to you. What do you want to use? You can use your home Wi-Fi, you can use your other phone, or you can use your family's phone as the key, whatever you want. Now you enable this force lockdown. Let's authorize, enter passphrase. Yes, so force lockdown is enabled. It is safe. I mean, it will not auto do anything. You are safely using this, but you are in a very awkward situation. What you need to do, see this lockdown button, ho hold it for a few seconds, like 5 seconds, and your app is locked. Now let's try to unlock it. It will not. It needs that key, and that key is your Wi-Fi network which you registered. You could have registered a NFC secure tag which you can buy from lots of places, Amazon and some other places. If you don't want to use another phone or NFC device, you can buy a NFC secure tag which you can use it as your hardware key. Really, you will have a physical key to your vault, right? Cool. Let's unlock it. So I just connect it to the Wi-Fi key so that I can unlock it. Now let's see again what do we have. So you can register Wi-Fi, safe Wi-Fi zone, and in the safe Wi-Fi zone you can enable locking, complete lockdown. This feature is about just your trusted Wi-Fi networks. And outside, what do you want outside the network? Complete lockdown or just simple locking? And then Wi-Fi lifting key is related to your forced lockdown. So you register a lifting key so that you can lift a forced lockdown. Similarly, you can register similar to, I mean exactly similar to Wi-Fi. You can register multiple NFC devices here. And NFC devices can be used just like key to unlock and unlock. I mean, you don't have a network like Wi-Fi network. So in this case, your NFC key will become your physical key to your vault. If you register any NFC device, then when you enable NFC locking, then it means if somebody took out somebody, not somebody, sorry, you lock down and your NFC key is registered, you have enabled enable NFC locking, then you will need your NFC key to unlock your vault. In case of you just sorry, let me unlock it. Ta-da. Done. Okay, let me go back. Okay, we were discussing NFC locking. So if you enable NFC locking, it means it is soft lock one time, that if the app is locked, you have to use your NFC key to unlock it. Once you unlock it, it will go back to normal mode. Enable NFC lockdown lifting. If you enable it, right? If you enable NFC lockdown lifting, then it will become your physical key, your NFC, as a key to lift the force lockdown which we discussed. But to register a phone, let us say you want to use your other phone as the NFC key, then you have to have the Quantum Vault app in that mobile for NFC feature. Wi-Fi, there is no issues. For NFC is a special thing. In NFC, you have to go to that mobile app and just go to that phone, and here NFC key mode, enable this key mode. Now this particular phone can work as a key. You can keep this on all the time, it doesn't harm. It's just that you can use this phone as a key of other phones. You can now put this phone on the back of other phone, the other phone, your phone or your family's phone. Then you just go on manage NFC devices and scan. You will be able to scan that. Without enabling this, you can't scan that phone. So this is a bit of safety thing, because NFC also enabled for other purposes. So you can use two types of lifting keys, either NFC or the Wi-Fi, to lift the force lockdown. So this is one of the advanced features which you won't see in other apps. Very advanced, very secure for your highly sensitive information. See you in the next video. Thank you.